Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply the Bridgerton AI filter TikTok trend. So if you guys watch the Bridgerton shows, you probably want to know how would you look like if you are one of the character on the show. So here you can use this AI TikTok filter to know that. So first you can just open your TikTok apps and then click on the search icon at the top. Then in here on the search column, just type in the Bridgerton filter, this one. So this will show up and you can just click on this Bridgerton portraits filter. Click on this to try the filter or effects. And after that, here I'm going to just use someone's photo. If you want to use or directly take a photo, you can use the front camera and take it right away. You can also use a photo or the existing photo if you want. Here just click on the red button to start recording or creating the Bridgerton photo. Then tap on the screen. Now TikTok will apply the filter and it will slowly change like this. I don't know why it came out as a man, but that's how it is. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.